Hello students, this is Manjunath Pujar, working as an assistant professor in computer science department as well as the nodal officer for UUCMS. Today I am here to give you the demonstration on exam application form filling process for UG second semester according to the NEP policy. According to the Karnataka University notification, which was released on 21st July 2022. According to that notification, all UG second semester students are supposed to fill the exam application form. This is the notification which was released on 21st, and exam application form filling process started on 22nd. The last date for that is 6th August 2022. To proceed for exam application form filling process, the students are requested to go through this particular notification before you actually get into the exam application form filling process. Here the all details I had given exam application form fees according to the course. As I told you, I'm going to show you the demonstration for exam application form filling process. Basically, it is having the three different steps. First, the students needs to register for the course. Second step, the college needs to approve that particular course registration. Third step, paying of exam application form fees. These are the three steps to be followed by the students in order to fill the exam application form. So now according to that, I will show you the first one, the course registration. As most of the students, they have done the course registration in the first semester itself. The same procedure for the second semester also. To give you the idea about the course registration, I am taking an example of one particular student so that you all can get an idea. So now normally in order to log into the student's account, students are supposed to enter the university seat number followed by the password and captcha. Once these all details have been entered, click on the login option. Once you click on the login option, you are able to log into that particular account. So now in this particular course registration process, the important part is the students are expected to understand which are all the discipline specific courses, open electives and languages. Okay, so once the successfully logged in, you are able to get this particular page. Here you will have the options of academics and exam. So these two tabs, the first tab of exam application form is to go for course registration. So click on academics and click on course registration. So now you are able to see this particular page. In this page you can see the first semester, the work of the first semester has been completed already. Now for the work for the second semester, our first job is to go for the course registration. When you click on the course registration, you will get the list of subjects for that particular prescribed semester. As I'm taking an example for the BSc course, these are the list of the subject for the BSc course with computer science and mathematics combination. So now by default, as I told you, some subjects are discipline specific subjects. Those are mandatory. There's no question of selection. But when it comes to the open elective, we are having the selection. When it comes to the languages, we have the selection. When it comes to the SEC skill enhancement, there we have the choice of selection. So in this case, now you can observe. So for the BSc, we are having the open elective. So I have selected the this people management, which is of 3 credits. Again, when it comes to the languages, we are having the three options for this particular case: English, Kannada, as well as the Hindi. But when you look at this particular page, we are having the generic English, the two choices. Do not get confused. Generic English here it is the course paper 4. Generic English here it is the course paper 5. So why we are having the two times the generic English? So that I am going to show you. If you people opted for Kannada, Bhasha Patyavarada, that time it is not possible to select English directly over here because we have the choice either of English or Kannada Bhasha Patyavarada, as these two belongs to the course paper 4. That's why when you select the Kannada Bhasha Patyavarada here, it is not possible to select generic English. In that case, we are supposed to go for course paper 5. There we are having the subject English. Okay. So now suppose if you people have selected Hindi, that time click on the Hindi here. In this case it is not possible to select this generic English because these two belonging to again the course paper 5. So in that case select the English over here. So this is the because of this we are having the two times generic English in the list of the subjects. Okay, anyhow, if you people have opted for the Kannada, then click on the Kannada. As the student has opted Kannada, then English, generic English, that's a course paper 4 and course paper 5. So next one is we are having the AECC, that is the environmental studies, as the mandatory subject according to the Karnataka University. By default we are supposed to select this. And when it comes to the SEC, skill enhancement course, in our college we have provided yoga and indoor outdoor sports. So these two are having 1 credit each. So by default when you select this all the subjects, it should match with the total credits of 25. So this all selection should be made according to the courses. If it is BSc, whether it is the BCom, whether it is the BBA or whether it is the BCA. According to your courses, you are supposed to select the open elective languages as well as the SECs. Okay, so once these all have been selected, then you are supposed to click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, this data has been submitted to the college for the verification purpose. So now I will show you how we are able to get that data at the college level. So now here I am showing the data that is received at the college end is, so once the data has been, the course registration details has been submitted to the college. Here we are having the details about the course registration for the BSc. As I have shown the demonstration of BSc course, BSc for the second semester. Here you can see that two students have been registered for the course. Now I have shown the demonstration of this Amrita. So in this case, so once the student has submitted, so this is the choice we are having at the principal login. So once the principal approves this, then this data is not to be modified. Till that you people have the choice to correctly select the subjects. Once the principal has been approved, there is no question of changing the subjects. That's why I request all the students to take care of this particular selection of the subject. So once the principal has been approved, once the principal has been approved, then what kind of the details you're able to get it in your login that I'm going to show you. Here, once the principal has been approved, once the principal has been approved, so now you can see initially we have the only course registration option. Now you people have view registered course, view IA, view attendance. So as it is approved by the principal, so now the list of the subjects that are approved by the principal according to the student selection. So once it is approved, there is no question of selection of the subject once again. That is, it is fixed. So now you can see for the student, all the subjects has been selected and it is confirmed. We are not able to make any changes. This is the total 25 credits. Okay, so now once the course registration has been approved by the principal, next the student can proceed for exam application. So when you click on this exam menu followed by exam applications, you are able to get this particular page. In this is the details of already the previous semester. You people have already attempted that exam. Now you are supposed to go for applying for the second semester. Here click on the apply for applications. Then here you will have the this particular page. In this page, what you are expected to see is all details, particular details of that particular student, followed by another important part is you need to look into the courses or papers appearing for the second semester. Unless until those all courses or papers appearing for the exam displays here, you should not go for the payment process, because once all the subjects have been listed, you need to verify those all subjects. Once those all subjects are correct, then here you will have the option of pay. Now it is not yet enabled. Once it is enabled, you are supposed to go for pay. And before payment process, you need to check, I repeatedly say, you need to check all the courses or papers which are appearing, whether it is available or displaying here or not. Once it is confirmed, then only go for the payment process. Here they are given all the instructions to be followed by the students and what are the kind of problems you are able to face during the exam application form. So this is the kind of the demonstration which I wanted to show. If you face any difficulties or if you are having any issues or if you want to clarify anything, you can contact me. So this is what the complete demonstration of course registration. This is what the first step you are supposed to follow. Once this process has been completed, course registration has been approved, then I will show you the demonstration of exam application form payment process. That time you can go for the payment process. So thank you one and all.